Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is an unboxing video about a bag that has been launched. Has it been launched? Okay, by the time that I am recording this, it's going to be launched by tomorrow, 18th of August, and this is the Onthego East-West. We all know that East-West is a thing. Since last year, it started with the Petite Malle East-West, and then we have the Pochette Métis East-West, and now we have the Onthego East-West. This is not something new, but it is a bag that people are looking forward to. And believe me when I say that I like this bag. I like it better than Onthego PM. And I thought it's going to be something not very special, but I am amazed when I actually saw this bag in person because they made a little bit of change compared to Onthego PM, and I'm gonna do an unboxing video for you guys to see how it looks like and see if you will love it as much as me. If you're new to this channel, my name is Murphy, and currently as I'm recording this video, I am a sales advisor here in Louis Vuitton, Singapore, and this channel is all about Louis Vuitton products, Louis Vuitton items, fashion tips in general, and a vlog here and there about my life. So if you are into this kind of thing, just do not forget to subscribe to keep yourself updated and to help me grow this channel. So without further ado, we are going to watch this unboxing video now. So this is Mama Joy's unboxing the video. She's our mama in the store, and she's gonna help me with unboxing today. So of course, you're gonna receive it with a dust bag and a box if you buy it in the store or order it online, but it's better to buy it in the store so you can check the item properly. This is how it looks like. It is beautiful, and compared to the other On-The-Go, the difference of this is that it has a zip. And every one of us wants that zip to make us feel more secured when we're using the bag. This is the strap. It is a jacquard strap, and it also comes with a coin pouch. And what I love about this is those two pockets on the side, which those two On-The-Go does not have. The very good news is that it can fit your long wallet. This is the biggest wallet in Louis Vuitton. That is the zippy wallet, and this is how it looks like when you put it inside. You can put a phone on the side. You can put, if you have 2 or 3 phones, some people if they have their own business, they have a company phone and personal phone, you can put them on both sides. It is very spacious. However, I know that I put a long wallet inside, but I would still recommend a short wallet for you to maximize the space. So the strap is adjustable and detachable, so you can use it as a shoulder carry, crossbody, or even a handbag. And now Mama Joyce is trying it on as a crossbody bag. So you can also attach this coin purse on the strap, or you can attach it in one of the handles as well. But the look is actually for the strap. So this is how it looks like. I asked her to try on. She's kind of not ready for it. So at first she wanted to show it how to wear it as a shoulder carry, but decided to carry it as a crossbody bag. And this is how it looks like. She's average height. This is just nice for her. I believe it's just nice for everyone, every height, every size. This is a good bag. It is in between small and medium, and I personally love it, and I personally recommend it for people who are looking for a day-to-day bag. If they don't carry laptop or iPad every day, it's actually good enough for your essentials. And for Singaporeans who loves carrying a water bottle and umbrella, your water bottle and umbrella can fit inside. So that just passed the exam. Passed the requirements, I'm sorry. So I couldn't say a lot more. I had a discussion with my previous video about the upcoming canvas bag, but seeing it in person, I loved it even more because of the changes that they made, especially the zip. And the price is 4150, which is a normal price for On-The-Go series. The On-The-Go PM is 4,300 or 4,350. I don't remember, but this is slightly cheaper. So the price is very reasonable in my opinion, and this is a good first bag as well if you're looking for your first bag. A lot of ways to wear it and a lot of style to match it with, but of course the strap is very casual, and for people who has been watching me for quite some time, they know that I am not a fan of the checkered strap. You can buy a separate strap. We have a few straps in Louis Vuitton that you can buy if you don't like the checkered strap. So overall, that's all I can say about this bag. If you have any questions about it, you can just comment down below or message me personally. You can follow my Instagram and my TikTok because I upload all the latest and the hottest collection there before the YouTube. But I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and please support this channel by liking this video and also subscribing to keep yourself updated and to help me grow this channel. I will see you on my next video, which I will unbox the prettiest almo bag that I've ever seen in the last 5 years. And if you're curious about it, just hit that notification bell button so you can be notified if I already uploaded it. I will see you on my next video. Bye!